launching from Pasir Ris.
Launching by our own.
We actually rented the yacht to go kayak, and then we have a few friends with us. Right now we are heading out. This is a flipper drive, not bad. And my husband behind controlling the rudder. This is our direction. Hopefully our adventure fishing expedition today will get some good results with the new friends that we actually met online. Okay, show you them later. We are going to meet the other two, 4 of us here on tandem, another 2 on solo. Let's go. We have fed out with the other 2. Now we can paddle out and fish already. We have Jacob and Gavin over there. Jacob chose to head paddle. He said the leg was very tired. Oh, we're gonna try fish here. Paddle already, finally. Using live prawn bait for now. Hopefully can get something. 出来什么我也不懂哎，应该是长裤是吧？下面有什么东西？应该是长裤啦。Supposedly, the water is supposed to be calm, but one look at this, man. Oh my god. My lunch while cruising, we saw 2 other people. Also fishing. Hello! Going there, Coney Island. Testing there lah. Thank you. Very friendly people. Sorry? Kayak? What? There? Go there lah. Rental. Fine. So we tried to gather the boys to go over. I'm not sure if they're coming. I don't know whether they will come or not, but old husband and I tandem until tired. Let's hope we can catch some fish at Coney Island area. Then yeah lah. Try. Let's go. Wow, 那边又来哦，是的，终于啊！哦 yes， 阿叔中了，水 ，come on， fish，nice one， 哎，5 fish for who？ 哦，I'm happy you, baby. How to love myself.有没有中？不懂哎。What was that? 哎呦，走一下。有啊。Fish, go, yes.
Nice one.
Yeah, woo. Wow, finally. Woo. 有在出现吗？Oh yes. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Flathead. Oh my god. Flathead 啦。哎呦，等一下我的背。猫，你的电话可以帮我拍照啊！哎呦，哇 ，flathead。See this one, not bad. 喂，relax bro，relax。哎呦，不错。啊，不要乱跳哦。可以，等一下先。等一下。哎呀，等一下，那个勾出来了。不要跑！哎呀， 夹不到，等一下。OK。Got one flathead。等下应该拍照给他们看一个好见笑。我电话响哎。哦。谁打来？他们打来。是他们。Hello。有呢，这个 flathead。flathead 啊，那个扁头的那个嘞 ，flathead fish。Release the fish. Goodbye. Bye. The two guys over there look like the guys that we hired last time with a hobby kayak. It could be him. I don't know. Nodi? The shirt and the hat look like. I can't really see. No reply! It is our guy, Nodin! Ayo! Okay, thank you! See you! Oh! Nice! Wow, steady, huh? Oh! Come on! Thank you!
That's the perfect.
See you! Thank you! Wow, steady this one.
Very heavy here. You don't take, huh?
Better take away mine first, if not later.
Correct.
Okay. Oh! 什么鱼？哇！One fish！ 秀啊！哇，还在出现！Look at that！ 哇 ，nice！ Woohoo！ 哇，哥，哎呦！哇，什么？哦 ，look at that！ Nice 啦！来接，哦，水！耶 ，well done！ 我有在录吗 ？Thank you， 哇 ！Professional different 啊！哇，水啦！哎，哇，笑！Had a long paddle back home. So tired. Bola. Here we go. 1, 2. 好了。动作很大啊！加油！哦。 KFC. Ah. Vô烂了。好啊，Coney 那边。不用啦，用手就要到了。啊，等一下呀。
等多5分钟，再走。
啊，等一下，我要讲了。
你没有用 Gary 那个波波？
什么波波？有，他一直在滴，一直滴，帮我滴有没有？一直滴，一直滴。
什么？
哦，我的脚，不是我的脚这样哦。我背到他破死啊！我的，你看这个我脸跟我们一样，渴死了。来，感想。
你们跟我家 Pram， 我们跑到 Coney 去耶，是不是？好，我们去 Coney。
我们没有嘞，那个跟我讲，你不去了，你不去了，你没有来。哇，累啊！睡啦，Good one。
好吗？
还有多一个。There's one more stingray inside. Not bad. 舔一下this one. Oh my god. Scrambling for the prawns. Oh.
Oh.
Few more, few more.
Catching prawns.